असेंब्लीचे मातशें रिएक्शन दिवं जाता जे मांडे सेशन घेतात raising your voice against it.
I think we have too many issues. The autocratic nature of the chief minister is well exposed. मुख्यमंत्री दादागिरी करून कशी सोदता आणि ही पार्टी सध्या लोकांचेर कसो अन्याय करता हे गोंय पळयत आसा. वी हॅव अ सिरियस इश्यू ऑफ कोविड पॅन्डेमीक. वी नीड टू हँडल इट. डेथ्स आर माउंटिंग. टुडे फॅक्ट्स आर हिडन. वी डोंट हॅव अ व्हाईट पेपर. And at the same time, we have gone through lockdowns, economy is down. So the overall picture जे आसा right from COVID situation to where we are, and त्या COVID pandemicन आमकां घरा दवरून जे illegalities चल्ल्या, whether it is Mollem, which is a very vital issue today in terms of environment, whether it is a mining resumption which is illegally taking place, there are so many other things which we think about. Power tariff, electricity issues, udkache issues, constituency issues, there are plenty of things which cannot be done in one day. We are very clear. And आज जेन्ना तांणी दवरला, they have just bulldozed with their thing. I am not a part of the BSc committee to comment about what happened inside. But one thing is very clear that जे आमकां business जाय, जो business आमकां करपाक जाय जाल्यार एक दीस पावना. We need minimum 15 to 20 days of good business running around. There are bills pertaining to the retention of land to Goa आणि गोंयकारांक priority. भायले स्टँडर्ड गोवन्स परत आयिल्ले आसा, तांकां फुडें कितें करचें. लॉट ऑफ प्लॅन्स नीड टू बी डिस्कस्ड आनी ताज्या खातीर इट हॅज टू बी अबाव पॉलिटिकल लायनेज. द प्रॉब्लम विथ दीस फेलोज आर दे आर ओनली अप टू पॉलिटिकल वन अपमॅनशीप एंड दे आर इंटरेस्टेड ओनली इन गिविंग इम्युनिटी टॅबलेट्स टू increase the immunity of the people of Goa. And from the other side, the autocratic chief minister says दिवपाची गरज ना. I think this debate needs to be taken in the house, discussed well, and then only we have a positive output for Goans. शेवटी आमकां जाय कितें? जाय की गोंयकार बऱ्या प्रमाणान ह्या पॅन्डेमीक वॉराचेर आमी जैत मेळून फुडें वचप. पूण आज जे केलां इज अ टोटल मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. I am going there as an elected representative responsible for that. Whatever possible will raise. But I think it is time for Goans to think more wider, come if required on the streets, whether it's Section 144 or no, and put our voice together, because that is the only thing that Goa people can put across and the government can understand.
Has the opposition failed to convince the government on this, or the speaker is not listening to the opposition?
Yeah, I think the Goa whole state knows what is happening. We don't have to comment. Assembly asa is to discuss. 6 म्हयन्यान असेंब्ली जाता, फाटी वॉट ऑफ अकाउंट जाता, मागीर असेंब्ली जाता. बजेट करपाक बजेटचे फिगर्स तरी सारके जाय मरे. होल बजेट इज चेंज. यू हॅव टेकन ऑस्टेरिटी मेजर्स. तुवें सगळे बजेटाचे फिगर्स सरप्लस बजेट आशिल्ले, तो आतां खंयचो बजेट आसा खबरूच ना, कित्याक लास्ट 6 months यू हॅव ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड युअर बॉरोइंग. So what are we talking about? We are passing demands which will not exist. We are passing a budget, those figures will not come. We are passing things which will not come into reality at all. So budget नावाक हाडून, बिलां हाडून ठोपप, ही autocratic nature, dictatorial attitude of the government and the chief minister is getting exposed. आणि ताजे बरोबर ते इल्ले स्टुजीस ताजे आसात पळय, गार्बेज काडपी बाकीचे, ते सगळे बरोबर आसात. सो इट्स अ जॉयंट वेंचर ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट टू डू illegalities over problems or in Goa.
How serious these issues of Vajwan Mahavir Park, forest area, plus JW, if these issues are not discussed in this assembly?
See, Mollem is a very important issue. We are having a very important topic to be discussed. I think let the assembly take place. We have pertinent topics to discuss in the assembly. Now, post-assembly, I would like to talk on Mollem also, because this whole thing is a biodiversity काबार कशी करप हे ह्या सरकार शिकोवंक लागिल्लो आसा. खंयबा म्हणपाक शिकला की सेंटर सांगता तें आयकुपाचें. आज कर्नाटकान समज जायना जाल्यार गोंयाक अर्जन्सी कितें? आज कर्नाटकाचे लोक बोळ मारतात जाल्यार कर्नाटका गव्हर्मेंट घोसलो. महाराष्ट्रा सांगली सायडीक एक पेड 400 वर्सांचें जाता जाल्यार गडकरी जी भितर पडटा आनी दॅट पेड इज सेव्ड एंड रोड इज डायवर्टेड. इफ दीस आर बीइंग डन देन वाय इज Mollem टार्गेटेड? जस्ट फॉर अदानी, जस्ट फॉर अंबानी, काय आनी कोणाक कितें आसा? I think we need to discuss this thoroughly. Let us first find space in the assembly. Now, definitely through media, I would like to be vocal on the issue. I would fully support the Mollem issue, which requires whatever support right now, because youth भायर सरले. Youth आज पर्यावरण राखपाक भायर सरिल्ले आसा आनी youth can change the definition of a government. ह्या सरकाराक अजून कळिल्लें ना, येता त्या दिसांनी कळटलें if they don't make necessary corrections.